Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now you might be wondering why I'm standing under a tree, and that is for a good reason. Now, it's snowing significantly out there, and I thought this was a great opportunity to get out the Osmo Mobile 3 and get some cool shots on the canal. I've turned the video camera around for you to see what's going on. Just around that bend is a 2 to 3 mile stretch of pretty much wilderness with the canal cutting through it. And because it's snowing so heavily, the trees are pretty much pure white and everything is white out here. So I think it'll look great on the camera, and that's why I have this again. And I'm sure it'll be a great video. I will see you at the end, and enjoy. Okay guys, I am safely back under my tree. That was a very cold walk down the canal, but some of those shots were pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed them as much as I enjoyed shooting them. Now before I leave, I want to ask you to subscribe. It would be an incredible support to the channel, and it would just mean a lot to me overall. So if you do that, that would be great. Also leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you have anything to say, comment, question, anything, you can leave that in the comments below. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday in my next video. Goodbye until then.